Welcome to a magical morning from Kokchurang. So today is our third day of the trek, and for today we'll be going to Lamune and we'll be crossing Thansing on our way, and we have a relatively short distance to cover of about 7 kilometers, so it should not be taking us that much time. Wish us luck and see you on the roads. Guys, wanted to show you, this is where I'm staying. This is from Kokchurang. Right on you see Tenzing Khang. Left hand side is Pandim, which is partially hidden by the clouds. This is just beautiful, man. What can I say? Awestruck. And the guide bhaias are saying that once you go to Thansing, this all comes very near. So it will be more visible and more clear by that time. Let's go explore a little more. Exploring with Nirvik. Look at the stream. Freezing cold, and this is the Prekchu river. You hear the river? Finally the sun's up and I can show you the beautiful Mount Pandim. On your left and on your right is Tenzing Khang. This is so beautiful, man. So guys, the road from Kokchurang to that of Thansing is basically through this river. So you have to cross this river and then you have to walk on the boulders of the river bed, and then you climb up to the valley, and that's basically the starting point of the valley is Thansing. Guys, it's 11:58 right now, so I am about to reach Thansing. So it took me around 1 hour 45 minutes, no 1 hour 30 minutes, because we started at 10:30. I still remember a lot of people telling me not to try this route and try Goechala in this short period, but what to do? I am Nirvik. I don't have much of an option. So the first day we covered till that of Shoka. The next day we covered till that of Kokchurang. Today we intend to go to Lamune. Fourth day would be Goechala, back to Shoka. Fifth day back to Yaksam. So 5 days Goechala, pretty much a deal. Yes, we have reached Thansing. I can see the cottage. Yes, in 1.5 hours. Yes. First gate.
porter bhaiyas, so very grateful to them. They do all the tough things, carry such luggages for us, so difficult. दादा आपका नाम बताओ. अश्विन गुरु. दादा आपका नाम बताओ. इधर देखो. Okay, Pulva Bhutia. Okay. And he is the guide, and he cooks amazing lunches and dinners. Please tell me your name. Ghanshyam Gembo. And we have another porter भैया. अरे इधर देखो porter भैया. नाम बताओ. अच्छा. Hello. Such a beautiful place.
So guys, we are at Thansing. This is at an elevation of 12,900 feet and the weather isn't that great. So if you're planning to Goichala, you can either stay at Thansing or you can advance yourself and stay at Lamune. The advantage of staying at Lamune is that when you're going for summit, you any which ways have to start early in the night, at wee hours, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So in that night, you don't have to cover the distance of Thansing to Lamune if you already are staying for the night in Lamune. So after taking rest of about 10 minutes at Thansing, we have again started our journey towards Lamune, and would want to mention here that the journey for today has not been that difficult. So the road to Thansing has been fairly easy. From Kokchurang you have to first cross the river, and then on the other side of the river bed you would have to cross a forest. Then comes a boulder patch which you have to negotiate, and then on top of the valley is basically Thansing. So as you already know, we would want to cover as much distance as we can towards Lamune so that we don't have to wake up that early in the morning while trying to do Goichala tomorrow.
Guys, we are about to reach Lamune. As you know, previously we started from Kokchurang at around 10:30. So it took us 3 hours. 3.5 hours. It's 2 o'clock right now. There is this washroom that I see, tin shed. This is all snow because the water has completely frozen up. So when you're walking on snow, be a little careful. You might slip if you put your feet on the snow patches. This is Lamune. We have reached. Yes, I see. This is Lamune. A huge rock here. This is the entrance. It's freezing cold here. Hello. Hello. पहुंच गए. अरे बढ़िया है तू. बढ़िया है. बढ़िया है रूम. क्या बताए.
नहीं, ट्रेन में बैठोगे तो आपको पूरा ठंड होगा ना सर.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है. ये बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है.
ट्रेन में पूरा ठंड भी घुसेगा और नीचे से भी ठंड आएगा.
हाँ. और इसमें ये काठ है ना, मतलब लकड़ी है ना, इसमें ठंड कम होता है.
दूसरा ग्रुप आया तो इधर सोने के लिए आपका अलाउड नहीं है ना, इसलिए इधर ही किचन करना पड़ेगा. इधर.
अच्छा, तो फिर अगर दूसरा ग्रुप आ गया तो
नहीं आएगा.
अच्छा. This is just beautiful, man. Just look outside. Shit, man. I'll give you a view outside too. It's 2 o'clock and just look outside. You can't see any goddamn thing. Guys, the guide bhaiya asked me to come out. It's 5 o'clock right now. As you can see, look at this. This is Pandim. That is Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest peak. And this is Tenzing Khang. Can you believe this? Isn't this paradise? It's beautiful. That is the mighty Kanchenjunga.
So after the chilly encounter with Kanchenjunga and Pandim, I was soon served hot coffee to rejuvenate myself, and then after a while I was also served dinner at around 6 o'clock because we had to start around 1:30 in the night so as to reach Goichala when it's still dark, and so that we could see the beautiful sunrise in Goichala that it's so well known for. And on the way we would also have to cross Samiti Lake. And so that also brings me to the end of the video, guys. Thank you so very much for staying with me all this while, and that really makes me a lot happy. Thank you again. Please take care.